But now at 5:45, here's Shulit Mazumdar with the news and sports.
Digital, FM, online. This is Radio 1.
We've got science for you from Switzerland.
Yes, sir. Yes. This is Newsbeat's technology reporter Jim Reed in Switzerland. The champagne corks are popping here after scientists flick the switch on the world's most powerful experiment. An experiment they say will change the world.
There's sport from Croatia.
This is David Garrido with England as they aim to get their own back here in Zagreb. We're also with Scotland fans ahead of the Iceland game. Wales are nearing full-time in Russia and Northern Ireland are playing too. It's a huge night of World Cup qualifiers.
We're talking politics, pigs and Lippy from the States.
Yes, a political row here in America.
They're all pigs, not ladies at the parties.
I'm Newsbeat's US reporter Seema Katecha. There'll be more on that before 6.
And we're at the Mobos in East London too.
Yo, it's your man Westwood up at the Mobo nominations. This is like a real big day in the game, you know what I mean? It's the big celebration of urban music from the UK and across the world.
Radio 1. Newsbeat.
The answers to the biggest questions in the universe. Could they be right this second, whizzing around a £5 billion tunnel buried deep underground in Switzerland? Scientists think so. They're trying to recreate the moment the universe began by smashing atoms together at almost the speed of light. They're so excited, in fact, they've even posted a rap about it all on YouTube, which Nahal's playing in a bit. Some critics are worried, though, saying the big experiment might end up triggering the end of the world instead. Our technology reporter Jim Reed spent the day by the tunnel in Geneva.
3, 2, 1, 0. Nothing. Yes, sir. Yes. Could that be the biggest scientific breakthrough since we stepped on the moon? That's what scientists here think. And this is what it's all about, a massive pipe built deep underground in a giant tunnel. It fires tiny particles around at close to the speed of light and then smashes them into each other.
My name's Pippa Wells. I'm a physicist working at CERN. There's a large fraction of the universe that we can't account for. It's a bit careless, you know, if we've been doing science research all these years and we actually only know what 4% of the stuff out there is made of. So by studying the very, very small, we're actually trying to explain the larger scale structures in the universe.
As well as all the theory stuff, they hope the work here would lead to new treatments for cancer and even futuristic technologies like anti-gravity engines. But it's the power of this pipe that's got a small number of people worried. They say scientists are playing with nature and could suck us all into a giant black hole. The people living near the site here have read all the scary headlines.
Even if something happens, we cannot change anything, so I'm not worried.
I am worried, somewhat worried, and that would definitely not be something I was planning.
If they're doing it, probably it's safe. I believe that. They should be, right?
People working on the project say the scare stories are just rubbish. Here's the person behind that rap again, Catherine McAlpine.
I mostly wanted to explain what the project was about, and hopefully once people, I hope they would look a little more closely at what it is and not be sucked into the scaremongering about black holes.
Scientists say we should see the first results from their new toy by the end of the year.
Radio 1.
We're gearing up for some mammoth matchups for our...